I built this thing called Laundromat, and I want to give you a quick tour of what it is and why I built it, and how to use it. So basically, Laundromat is a processing sketch that's trying to emulate something that a synthesizer called the OP-1 has. It's this amazing sequencer called the Tombola. Let's check it out.
Play some notes on the musical keyboard to drop them in the tombola. Use the blue encoder to adjust the rotation speed and direction of the tombola.
So it's pretty amazing. You can use this to control MIDI devices internally on this synthesizer or externally, whether on your computer DAW or another synthesizer. So with processing, let's run this sketch and take a look at it. This is my tombola. I called it Laundromat because I kind of think of being at a laundry place and yeah, whatever. All right, so drop in some notes. Right now, these notes are triggering an Ableton Live. I can drop out gravity and change the rotation speed of the tombola. I can also increase friction, but I'm not going to do that because then the balls will basically stop. Drop in some gravity, take it back out. Let's head over to Ableton. Here it is triggering analog. Can push it up an octave, bring up the filter, drop it off. Anything you would normally do with MIDI. Right now it's pretty boring. Sometimes without gravity, things stop happening. As you can see, things are still work in progress. But maybe you're starting to notice that you can do some pretty cool generative music making with something like this. So, how does it work? Basically, you need processing, so download that if you don't have it. Eventually, this will be packaged into a small self-contained app, hopefully, from processing itself, which I'm pretty sure you can export. As you may have noticed, due to my lack of confidence, I have not programmed that much with Java or processing, so I'll get that out now. If you are a coder, if you do know Java, or if you're super stoked about this for some reason, like I am, then you should definitely contribute, or at least if you have some suggestions, add a issue on GitHub where the code is open source. So anyways, let's say you want to get started. The first thing you need to do is download processing and load up the sketch Laundromat. There's a couple different files in the folder, so make sure that you just open Laundromat. Click Run. This will open up the sketch. It'll start running. I'm going to leave that in the background. The most important thing here is that you need to have the MIDI moving within your computer to be able to trigger something either externally or internally on a DAW. For my case, I'm using Ableton. To do that, I created something called an IAC bus on my system preferences on the MIDI window. If you have a Mac, you can open up Audio MIDI and basically control that stuff yourself. You just need to maybe check that out in another tutorial. So, the first thing you need to do is keep an eye on the output in the console of processing. Basically, I have 3 MIDI outputs here. One is called Gerville. I don't know where that's coming from. The other one I made is called the chill_bus, and the other one is real-time sequencer. So I'm using this IAC chill bus, and so I need to input that string exactly as it is into the variable in the program. If you head to line 25, you'll see that I've done that there, and there's a comment saying exactly what you need to do. Change this to the name of your MIDI device. Once you've done that, you should pretty much be good to go. So that's it. Give the Tombola, Laundromat, whatever you want to call it, a try. If you have any suggestions or issues, file them on GitHub, and if you want to contribute, I would definitely welcome any contributions that could improve. I still have a long way to go, but give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Good luck.